Hi guys. Welcome to the 4-Wheel TV channel. Support us by clicking the subscribe button and pressing the notification button. Thank you. Lamborghini revealed the face of the Urus in August at Pebble Beach and presented the new Performante for 2023 as the best model. However, a good replacement for the popular super SUV in its range is the new S model. For the first time, Sant'Agata Bolognese will sell two flavors of the successor to its Spirit LM002. We would say that it serves as a trickier approach than the Performante. Well, as tricky as Lambo can be. The Urus S gets an upgraded 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 that produces 666 horsepower and 850 Nm, 627 pound-feet of torque. However, it does not have the 47 kg, 104 pound weight of the Performante, so it will be slower. In fact, Lamborghini says that the Performante takes 3.3 seconds to hit 62 miles per hour, 100 km per hour, while the S needs an extra 0.2 of a second. Top speed remains unchanged at 190 miles per hour, 305 kilometers per hour. With a run from 0 to 124 miles per hour, 200 kilometers per hour, in 12.5 seconds, the Urus S is an expert among elite execution SUVs. Between the world debut of the Performante and the S, the opposition has increased with Ferrari's hotly anticipated send-off of the V12-fueled Purosangue SUV. These two will fight with other very good quality items like the Aston Martin DBX and the Bentley Bentayga Speed. With the mid-cycle update, Lamborghini is making its top-of-the-line item more adjustable, including matte titanium 22-inch Hagel's precious stone bronze 23-inch set. You can likewise settle on an uncovered carbon fiber rooftop and matte or shiny dark exhaust tips rather than the brushed steel finish of the recently planned arrangement exhaust. Extra treats presented with the 2023 might incorporate a standard tempered steel underbody component completed in matte dark and a painted carbon fiber hood with matte dark air admissions. A portion of the discretionary trim can be had with a similar dim completion or with carbon fiber in shine or matte. Inside, there are new two-tone calfskin upholsteries and bi-variety trim. There's no word on a hybrid model right now, but Lamborghini has said it will have all models powered by 2024. The Urus may get a hybrid base model from the Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid, but no official stuff. At this point,